Hi team, here's another example of how we can use graphing to solve this system of equations. Remember, there's an infinite number of solutions to this because it's a line. That's an infinite number of points. Each point is a combination of an x value and a y value. This is another infinite system of points, but taken together, there's only one point in the entire universe that will satisfy that. That's your goal, to find that in this type of question. So let's graph the first one here. The first thing that I do is take this number, minus 5, and I go ahead and I plot that down here on the y-axis. Why? Because if y is equal to 3 times 0 minus 5, that's when x is 0, then y would be equal to minus 5. X is 0, you see here, x is 0. Okay, that's subbing in for this x. Now, we plot that, and then we go ahead and plot another point using this 3. Okay, 3 is called the slope, and it's the same thing as 3 over 1. That's the m value of this line, because we have lines of y is equal to m x plus b. Okay, now what this tells me is if I want to go, this is how much I go up or down. This is how much I go over or across. If I run 1, I rise 3. If I run 1, I rise 3. Okay, so this point here are all on the line. Okay, because this is plus 1, this is plus 3. Okay, what we're talking about here is usually called rise over run. Okay, and now I can put a straight line through these points. Bing. There we go. Okay, so that is what we're looking at for that line there. And that's an infinite set of points that all relate x and y according to these values up here. Now, let's take a look at how, using this method, first graphing the y-intercept, or the place it crosses the y-axis, applies to this line. Well, I know that when when x is 0, if I put 0 in there, it does not matter what I multiply it by, it's going to be 0. So I'm going to have y is equal to 4. There. When x is 0, y is 4. Okay? Easy. Now, what I'm going to do next is really consider that number minus 3 over 2. The number minus 3 over 2 gives me the rise and the run. All right? So I run 2. Boop, 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 boop. Run 2 to here. And then I rise negative 3. Do, 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 do. Rise negative 3. Oh, there's the solution. And I can put a line through this point and that point, and then it goes that way. There. Boom. And then, put little arrows on your lines to indicate that they do go on to infinity. But the part of infinity that we're interested in is that point, which is 2, 1. That's the answer. Final answer, circle it, be proud of it, pat yourself on the back, and then you can, not on the test, you can check your answer in Desmos like this. There are our lines. There is our solution right there, 2, 1. Okay, very good, everyone. Any questions, hit me up by email or chat with me in the real world. Bye for now.